Guys, good news. My cat Mia is getting a baby. Mia is getting a baby. Fifi is so confused right now. Oh no. She's getting a baby. She's getting a baby's kittens. Oh no. I hear it, Fifi. Oh. Oh. You hear that, guys? That's Mia. She's getting a kitten. Oh, oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. You see? She's getting a kitten. Oh my god. Mia, calm down. Just breathe. Push, Mia. Push. This is Fifi, and this is Mia. That's me. Calm down. Oh no. Guys. Like and subscribe for part 2. I'm getting so confused right now.